Well, it's April the 30th. We're in San Diego, California. We're going to take a tour through the San Diego Aero-Space Museum, courtesy of Ray Crowell of the Model Shop. On the pedestal, we have the YF-2Y Sea Dart, amphibious, not amphibious, the seaplane jet fighter. I think there's only 2 of these in existence, 2 or 3. This particular aircraft was once displayed at the Sand Point Naval Air Station in Seattle, Washington. We're coming in the back ways. We're coming into the restoration shop at the San Diego Aerospace Museum. Looks like a Grumman restoration, Grumman fighter, the 30s. This is where it's done. There's a Ford tri-motor. Beautiful place, just beautiful. That's the restoration of the F3F. His daughter and her son David met me here at San Diego, so we're going to take a tour. This is my brother who lives in San Diego. Pacific Ocean has been in the oceans for 40 years. Entrance to the model shop where Lou Proctor hangs out.
When they pulled it out.
These are some pictures of when they pulled it out of the water. Boy, it sure doesn't look like that now, does it? They're doing a magnificent job. They found this airplane in 1989 in San Diego Bay.
Brought it in.
Shopper. They're restoring it for
the
director. Naval Museum in static modeling here.
Come in.
Florida, at Pensacola. Before they're restoring for display, and they have the wing port up there. Quite impressive. Quite impressive. Proctor Annex Bipe that Dick Heining produces in Aurora, Oregon. Lou Proctor designed this aircraft back in the 60s, I think it was. Lou Proctor is now a member of the model group here at the San Diego Aerospace Museum. May even show up today sometime. These are the seats out of that F3F that went in the water. Ford tri-motor. Boy, this is a beehive of activity, guys. Have the engine shop. So we got a Rutan design up there in the rafters. Close for the Ford tri-motor. We've snuck up the back way through the model shop, and we got a Ryan B5 here. Boy, this is the time to visit museums when there's nobody here. Wow. And we got the Swallow. Beautiful airplane. Boy, there's so many airplanes here that it's hard to believe. Looks like a Ryan PT-22. A remotely piloted vehicle. How about that? This museum is in the same league as the Smithsonian. Looks like Curtis Robin. Scale Curtis Jennings. Will you? Look at that OX5. This is a 1/4 scale model. Never seen anything like this in my life.
Can you imagine the Blue Angels flying these old Bearcats and Hellcats? First time I ever.
Quarter scale, wow. Look at that radiator. Oof. List them all. You guys have to come down and see them for yourselves. There we got a Boeing seaplane. A model of it. Boy, that's about a quarter scale too. One of Reuben Fleet's biplanes. Lorone Rody, I guess it's Lorone. I can't keep track of it. Oversized Proctor Newport 28, 1:1 scale. Beautiful. Newport 11 he must have donated to the museum. Tail number 1486, just like mine at home. I have the 1/5 Proctor Newport 11, tail number 1486. I'll be darned, I didn't even know it was here. I thought it was still in Columbia, California. 1 scale Von Hippel Albatross D5A, built by Jim Appleby at Flaybob Airport in Riverside, California. And down below we have the latest Proctor kit, quarter scale, available at Proctor Enterprises, Aurora, Oregon. We just brought this aircraft back from the Top Gun tournament in Mesa, Arizona. Came in 31st out of 50, which is better than last. Pretty bright down in that light. Engine overheated. Wouldn't run at the density altitude of about 4,500 feet. Temperature 97 degrees. Gusty winds up to 20 miles an hour. Crashed into the trees. Broke a few flying wires, as you can see there. We'll take her home and get her fixed. A full-size Albatross. We got the right sequence anyway. Newport 28 in bare bones. Ray Crowell, who's the curator of the model department, was nice enough to let me bring the Albatross in and sit underneath the wing of the 1:1 scale. Get some video here. This is quite a museum. Quite a museum. Looks like World War I headquarters here. Baron von Richthofen flew one like this. Fokker DR-1 triplane. Fokker D8. Another DR-1 model. What do we have here, Jenny lovers? A 1:1 scale JN4D. Beautiful, beautiful. Albatross in for viewing, and we sure appreciate it, Ralph. Mr. Crowell, we sure appreciate this. Shots this Jenny. Mr. Crowell, sure nice enough to give us a run of the place here. Boy, if you ever need documentation, this is the place to come. Bright flyers and gliders, and boy, they got everything here, and it's all so beautifully displayed. It's unbelievable. The Vin Fizz, boy, a lot of history there. Thomas Morse or something, Can't keep up on them. This is the Hat in the Ring, Squadron 28. Yeah.
Would be their first look at the odd-looking.
Everybody knows that one, don't they? This must be World War I and beyond corner.
Fragile craft. The wings, I can't demonstrate it here, but the wings were so fragile that you can move them, you can bend them very easily. They took it out, flew it, it was 20-mile-an-hour wind on the sensitive and the pitch. Too sensitive. But they didn't change anything. Well, Wilbur tried it then. And that sticky...
This Blériot really flies.